explore Sula. This is so beautiful. There's so many places to click photos. What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome to a brand new travel video. And in this video I am currently at Sula Vineyards in Nashik. We are going to go and explore Sula. I came here after like 3 years maybe, and it has changed tremendously. When I first came here it was very new and only a few people knew about it. I am super excited, and so yeah, let's go explore. Beautiful. There's so many places to click photos. They have created this different photo booths all over the place, and it's so pretty. Like even this place, as you can see, so nice, this pathway, and there are like cycles, rickshaws, bottles, everything is like very pretty and nice to click pictures. Famous for obviously the wine, and they have their own grape plantation that you can see behind me. Since it is the month of December right now, there are somewhat grapes have grown out. People back there are picking it. Tiny little nooks that they've created for taking photos are so cute. I had taken like so many photos. We're already inside like for like 15 minutes, and already there are like so many photos that we have clicked. Okay, so this is where they have the gift shop where you can buy wine as well as the wine tasting, which is 500 rupees per person. So this is the place where you can do all of that, and you can like deduct it from already bought while entering. That is of rupees 500.
Did he tell you why? Has anybody told you why? Have you any idea why?
So we booked ourselves a wine tasting tour along with the factory tour, which cost rupees 500 for both of them. And if you want just the tour of the factory and the winemaking process, it's rupees 200. So it's currently 12:30 in the afternoon and the testing is at 1:30. So we have an hour to kill. So we are at this beautiful cafe on the rooftop, and it's called the tasting room somewhat. This place is like so beautiful. The weather is also very nice, and check out the view of the cafe. Some peri-peri French fries to kill some time and also to eat something because we're hungry, and we're missing the wine, but we are going on a wine tour later on, so that's okay. Got done with the wine tasting and the factory tour. So inside the tour and tasting, videography isn't allowed, so that is the reason I did not film a lot, but other than that we tasted 5 wines, and both red and white of different varieties, and they also have a shop over there where you can go and buy the wine that you tasted, and other than that there are even many varieties of wine that you can go and buy as well. Now we're heading for lunch, and they have like in-house restaurants here as well. Now we're at one of the restaurants here at Sula Vineyard, and here they serve Indian and both Italian cuisine. So our garlic bread just arrived. It's not what I expected it to be, and it's kind of like a bun inside. And let's see how this tastes. Trying the cheese garlic bread. This is how it looks. It looks like a bun. It's okay, not the best that I had. It's fine. So since it's an Italian restaurant, we ordered pizza. Very basic Mediterranean pizza for the main course, and this is how it looks. And I'm gonna also tell you how it tastes right now. So this was Sula Vineyard, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is like one of its kind experience. This is situated in Nashik, the wine capital of India. It is like a great experience to come taste wine, see the winemaking process, and if you want you can even buy the wine. It's a bit expensive, that is for sure, but if you are willing to spend, then who is there to stop you? So anyway, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.